Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these very cute, very little, very tiny baskets. These are very cute, dear friends. I made these for Easter time, but you can also make these as children's toys. You can also make a basket keyring. It can be a cute keyring. You can make a small crochet egg. You can put it like this. It can be a Easter creation. Really very cute. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. For each basket, you need two colors. If you have scrap yarn like this project is very suitable for this kind of scrap yarn, dear friends. I am using cotton yarn, standard cotton yarns, and I am using 3mm hook. I will make the main body of the basket with green color this time. You can choose any color you like. We are starting from the bottom, dear friends. I am making a magic ring. Like this. I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, yarn over. I am going to make a double crochet in this ring. I am considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. So I have 2 double crochet in the ring. Yarn over. I am making another double crochet. It's been 3. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the ring, making the 4th double crochet. Making the 5th double crochet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We are making totally 12 double crochet in the magic ring, considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. Let's count in order to be sure. This is the this 3 chain is the first double crochet, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one is 12. Okay, it's correct. Now I am going to pull this yarn end and I'm going to close this big space. I am pulling like this. There is no space now. Now I am going to close this round. For this reason, I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. The first round is finished. Now I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same space here. Now in this space we have 2 double crochet. I am going to the following stitch, making 2 double crochet in this stitch. Here in the previous one we made 1 stitch, but I am considering this 3 chain as the first double crochet. Yarn over. I am going to the following stitch and making a double crochet in there. and another double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, going to the following stitch, making one double crochet and inserting my hook in the same stitch and making another double crochet. Yarn over, going to the following stitch and making a double crochet, inserting my hook in the same stitch and making another double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making a double crochet, yarn over, I'm inserting my hook in the same stitch, making another double crochet. Like this, we will come to the end of this second row, dear friends. I mean, we are going to make 2 double crochet in each following stitch. Here I'm inserting my hook and making 2 double crochet. Like this, I am finishing this round. Yarn over, I'm going to the following stitch, making 2 double crochet in this stitch, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making 2 double crochet in this stitch. Now I am in the last stitch here, inserting my hook in there and making 2 more double crochet. It should be totally 24 double crochet. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and this is 24. Okay, after making totally 24 double crochet in the second row, we are going to close this round by inserting our hook at top of the first 3 chains like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. The second round is finished as well. I am pulling this center again. Now I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. I am going to the following stitch, making a double crochet in there, going to the following stitch, making another double crochet. Like this, one by one, we are making double crochet by inserting our hook in each following stitch. There will be totally 24 double crochet, dear friends. One by one, I am inserting my hook in each following stitch and making a double crochet. Let me show you once again how I am doing the double crochet. For the beginners, I'm showing like this. First of all, let me count if there are 24. I want to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and these 3 chains, 24. Okay, we finished this round. So I'm inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains like this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. This round is also finished. As you see, it started to take a ball shape, basket shape. I am making one chain. From now on, we are going to make single stitches in all stitch. This is the last round. In the following stitch, I'm inserting my hook, making a single stitch. I'm going to the following stitch and making a single stitch in there. Going to the following stitch, making a single stitch. Like this, we are finishing this round, dear friends. Okay, one by one, let's make single stitches and come to the end. I came to the end of this row. I made single stitches all around this. I am at the end. I am inserting my hook at top of the first single stitch, yarn over, pull through. This round is finished. Actually, the main part of the basket is finished. Now we are going to make the handle here. For this reason, I am making 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. In order to find the opposite side of this chain, I am making this like this. Yes, this is. But when fixing the chain, we will be careful. It will be always the same way. And like this, I am inserting my hook right opposite side of the chain, making a single stitch. Okay, like this. On this chain, we are going to make single stitches one by one. Inserting my hook in the first stitch and making a single stitch, going to the following stitch, making a single stitch, going to the following, making a single stitch. Yes, like this. One by one, I am making single stitches till the end. Okay, like this, let's make single stitches till the end of the chain, dear friends. I came to the end. I am inserting my hook in the place I start, like this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making one chain and cutting the yarn. Like this. First of all, I have to fix this magic ring, otherwise it gets large. I am pulling again. I need a darning needle to fix it. I am fixing this yarn end with the help of the small size hook. I also fixed with the help of the needle. Since it is long, I used needle, but since it is short, this time I'm going to use just a small size hook like this. Now I am cutting the rest of the yarn, turning to the front side. Our basket is mainly finished, dear friends. The only thing to do is to ornament the body of the basket with a different color of yarn. I am using this kind of orange color for this. It is like this, and I am folding the yarn like this. 20 or 30 centimeters of yarn is okay. I am just cutting it. I will start from the center. This is the handle of the basket. I am starting the center of the handle, inserting my hook between the double crochets and pull through the loops to inside like this. I am skipping 2 double crochet, inserting my hook between the following and pulling it to outside, skipping 2 double crochet, inserting my hook between the following and inserting it to inside. Like this, we will cover the body of the basket, dear friends. Two double crochet I'm skipping. It's becoming like this. Like this, I am coming to the place we start. Yes, I covered all around with orange color rope. Now I am in the place we start. Now we will pull this rope to outside. I am inserting my hook between these 2 double crochet. First of all, I am pull through 1 loop, and then the others I'm going to take out like this. Okay, I am pulling a bit like this. It should be a bit narrow because, okay, I am tying. Making a bow. And I am cutting the yarn. Like this. Okay, we finished our basket. It's been really very cute, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. Hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials in the coming days. I will be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.